Okay, we are going to see the title bar. This is the title bar. The title bar actually displays the workbook name. When you launch Excel workbook for the first time, it is going to give it a default name. You can see the name here, Book 1. This is because we have not saved this workbook, and any name you give it when you are saving it will appear on the title bar. Let's try to save this workbook and see what is going to happen. To save the workbook, all you need to do, since we have placed the save command on the quick access toolbar, I'm going to click save, or you just press Ctrl S. Okay, I click save. It is asking us for the file name, so I'm going to give it another name. Let me name it Excel Windows Exploration. Okay, I just give it a name, Excel Windows Exploration. You can just give it any name you like. Choose a location, then you need to select the location you want to save it. Okay, I'm going to save it on the desktop, so I click here. I'm going to select desktop. I just select desktop so that it is going to show on the desktop. Then I'm going to click save. After successful saving our workbook, you can see the name is now showing on the title bar, Excel Windows Exploration. That is where the name of the workbook you are working with will be showing. Okay, each time you launch your workbook, the title or the name you give it will show on the title bar. Thank you. We are going to continue exploring other Windows functionalities.